property management. So now we look at restaurant and dining, since that was the winner of the poll on Instagram. And then we'll also look at photography and digital management. So in restaurant and dining aspect is what I would say, what customers, right? So customers is who we are serving, or who our main revenue generator is, right? So what we want to do is head over to customers. There's two ways: head over to customers and press add, or just be in a dashboard and someone just comes in. It's like, okay, this is a new customer for me. So we would say add customer. So first name, what's my name? It's Kennedy. And you got Koze, phone number 859 555 6767. No. Komeza OSP @gmail.com. This is the email. And then say regular customer breakfast. No onions. I don't like onions. So yeah. And then we save that for the next time they come in. And then that also allows the system to know whenever you're making a reservation and this is someone who's already in your queue. So you could just say, okay, I'm gonna make a reservation. Who is the customer? Oh, it's Kennedy. Well, there's two different Kennedys. Which one? 3 or 4. So this is where the deviation with like a middle name or something, or even the note would be very sufficient. So, and rarely you'll see people with like the name exactly the same, and it's just kind of a middle name difference.